Well, New York is following that recommendation to pause the shot. So, how that is going to affect vaccinations here, that's the question. 2 Side's Jeff Preval looked into that for us today.
Canceled and postponed vaccine appointments, the effects after both the CDC and the FDA recommend a pause on the use of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
So this is very troublesome for the outreach that we've been doing for months. This very disappointing.
In Niagara County, about 500 Johnson & Johnson vaccine appointments, which were supposed to be made available this week, have been held back. The doses themselves will remain in storage.
They're still kept cold and the proper temperature. They don't expire anytime soon.
In many counties, J&J has been used to vaccinate hard-to-reach populations, those who are homebound or homeless. The vaccine has also been thought as a means to be more efficient in the process of being rolled out to SUNY campuses across the state to vaccinate students before the end of the spring semester. All of that now being put on hold.
We actually had a clinic planned for this morning with several of our farms in Genesee County that we unfortunately had to cancel due to the breaking news this morning that we're putting a pause on using Johnson & Johnson while they looked at this potential side effect issue.
Those farmers instead were offered the Moderna vaccine. Major pharmacies such as Tops, Wegmans, CVS, Rite Aid, and Walgreens, along with community health centers, have all said they're either canceling or postponing appointments using Johnson & Johnson. A CDC committee will meet tomorrow to discuss the J&J vaccine.
We're very optimistic that we'll get the green light to start using J&J once again by the end of the week. And if that's the case, we'll have no issue here locally.
Now, the state says people with appointments to get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine at state-run mass vaccination sites will instead get the Pfizer vaccine, but that won't impact Western New York mass vaccination sites such as the Niagara Falls Conference Center, which have been and continue to get the Pfizer vaccine. In Niagara Falls, I'm Jeff Preval, Channel 2 News.